Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to improve battery life on your INFINIX Hot 50. So first, what you guys want to do is turn off the vibrations and haptic feedback. So let's go over to the settings. This is what we're gonna start with. We're gonna go over to sound and vibration. Now here we want to scroll down until we see the haptics and sounds, and here you guys can simply disable the haptic feedback. Now you guys also can disable the sounds right here, and as you guys can see, vibrate for calls you guys can set never vibrate, and here you don't need to switch anything. We've switched everything here. And now what you guys want to do next is shorten your screen timeout. So let's go over to display and brightness, and here we want to scroll down until we see screen timeout. So 30 seconds is optimal, 15 seconds is the best option out there, but of course 15 seconds is not too much. So 15 seconds is actually a little bit less than 30, we all know that, but 15 seconds is not enough for a normal person. So 30 seconds is the most optimal settings you can choose here. Of course, you guys can choose 1 minute, but it's gonna wear your battery even more, and we are here to improve our battery life and not decrease it. So keep it on 30. You guys can also go over and make sure that screen refresh rate is on auto switch, so it's not at 120 always, because this will basically destroy your battery, because it will increase the power consumption and it's pretty bad for improving your battery life. Next, what you guys want to do is restrict background activity for apps. So let's go over to battery now, scroll down, go to battery and power saving, and here go to battery usage. Here you guys will explore the apps that use a lot of battery. So for example, XOS launcher is using a lot of battery because it's working in the background. You guys can restrict it just like this, and now this app is restricted, it won't work in the background anymore. You guys can do the same for AccuBattery, but this app actually needs unrestricted settings to make sure to measure our battery perfectly. Google Play Store, you cannot change it. As you guys can see, this app requires unrestricted, and for example, you guys can change the Gboard to restricted. You guys can change the, you cannot change the Facebook actually, but you guys can search for apps that you can change, like YouTube. So now it's restricted, and that's how you guys can do that. Now, as a last resort, you guys can also go over to the display and brightness and change light theme to dark theme, because this will help you save battery. And as you guys can see, even the phone says it right here that the dark theme can help save battery. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.